Hello little friends, today we are learn A to Z and color name. Peach pink color, white color, sky blue color, dark green color, purple color, red color, gray color, blue color, orange color, light green color, brown color, pink color, yellow color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Purple color. A. A for alligator. A for alligator. Red color. B. B for ball. B for ball. Light green color. C. C for cow. C for cow. Dark green color. D. D for doll. D for doll. Yellow color. E. E for egg. E for egg. Sky blue color. F. F for fire. F for fire. Blue color. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Orange color. H. H for hen. H for hen. Pink color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Peach pink color. J. J for joker. J for joker. Brown color. K. K for kite. K for kite. Purple color. L. L for lion. L for lion. Red color. M. M for mango. M for mango. Light green color. N. N for nose. N for nose. Dark green color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Yellow color. P. P for penguin. P for penguin. Sky blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Blue color. R. R for rose. R for rose. Orange color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Pink color. T. T for train. T for train. Peace pink color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Brown color. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Purple color. W. W for watch. W for watch. Red color. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Light green color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Dark green color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. White color, black color, peace pink color, red color, brown color, blue color, grey color, sky blue color, orange color, dark green color, yellow color, light green color, purple color, pink color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Orange color. 1. Pink color. 2. Sky blue color. 3. Purple color. 4. Light green color. 5. Blue color. 6. Brown color. 7. Red color. 8. Yellow color. 9. Draw green color. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.